Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today I have HOLOCHAIN hot update. Let's see how it will do and what we need in order to go upwards. If you like the content, please help me with clicking the like button, subscribing, hit the bell button and share the video if you can. You can join our Telegram group chat. I have the link in the description down below where we discuss many more things about the crypto market. So right here we want to test and go above the 0.012. That's the most important thing in order to say that we will be seeing higher highs and higher lows. First of all, this is our target. Secondly, of course, the 0.013 and the Fibonacci retracement level 0.014. Of course, if we go above this level, then we will be looking forward to new highs. What we need to see now is, first of all, have some higher volume here, guys. We need to have some higher volume. For example, now it is declining. Now we need to back up, have higher, and of course right now you can see back from this day we are a bit of declining from the days. So right now what we want to see on the 4-hour frame is basically what I've told you guys multiple times in my videos. We need to stop seeing lower lows and eventually we need to surpass this target now, and we need to see higher highs and higher lows. Eventually, if blue line can go like this along with the MACD, we don't with the orange line, guys, we don't care if the orange line goes above the MACD as soon as we are having higher highs and higher lows for the 4-hour frame. Okay, so that's what we want right now for the HOLOCHAIN, and let's go to HOLOCHAIN against USD in the 4-hour frame to discuss some things. First of all, on the 4-hour frame we are above the 100. So we might as well just go a little bit downwards, but what we want to see is if we go downwards, higher lows. Eventually you can go up and go as well. So for the RSI, we don't have any overbought situation. However, this is good, guys. This is good. We are forming higher lows steadily from 12th May till 13th May. Now we form these lows. Now we want to break some important resistance levels to go a little bit downwards and go upwards again. So that's the form we need to see. We don't care if we see the commodity channel index go beyond this level because we are in an overbought situation, as you can see in the 4-hour frame. However, we need to see higher highs and higher lows for the commodity channel index and for the RSI. According to the SL channel, we are having a buying opportunity because the green line is above the red line, guys. As you can see here, we had this cross now at 16th May. So let's go to the HOLOCHAIN against USDT in the daily frame. First of all, for the MACD, guys, after these two rejections here for HOLOCHAIN, what we need to see is a very good bullish cross here. And of course, the blue line has to regain some distance from the orange line. That's what we care for. First, the bullish cross. Secondly, regaining some distance. Because if you saw my previous video about Anchor had a bullish cross, but at the same time, it couldn't manage to hold up the bullish cross. Then it went down. And of course, Anchor is still looking good. Right now, that's what we want for HOLOCHAIN as well, to go upwards, breaking this cross and having a bullish run on the daily frame for the MACD. For the MACD, it was like that. For the daily frame, that's why we had, guys, a buying opportunity for HOLOCHAIN. It was below minus 100. I expect it to go upwards. And of course, guys, for the RSI as well, I expect it in the daily frame to stop seeing lower lows. Eventually, we might just go like this and eventually we can move upwards, but we need to see some other things as well in order to say that HOLOCHAIN is looking strong. However, according to the commodity channel, we had and we are having a buying opportunity. Now we are inside the minus 100 and 100, but we still have some room to grow, especially if we can make some higher highs, for example, go above. If we can't, then we might actually go a little bit above and then retrace back again. So we have to be careful. We have here still a buying opportunity. I think it will grow a little bit, but we need to see some other things as well for HOLOCHAIN. We are on the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. That's good, guys. And of course, when we are in the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, we are having a buying opportunity. When we extend, we are having a risk, therefore a selling opportunity. So for HOLOCHAIN against Bitcoin, this is such an important chart, guys. I will explain why. First of all, you can see that we broke this resistance level. I'm so happy. Now we can make some higher highs and higher lows. We broke this resistance level as well. Okay, so right now, what we want to see is to close above this resistance level here. So first of all, the 20-day MA, if the 20-day MA recrosses the 50-day MA, then we will be looking forward for HOLOCHAIN to outperform Bitcoin, and therefore the coins that will outperform Bitcoin will grow as well in the USDT. The coins that won't outperform Bitcoin will just correct even more. So we care so much about this bullish cross right here between the 50-day EMA, the red line, and the 20-day EMA, the yellow line. If we see the yellow line going above the 50-day EMA, we are absolutely fine, guys. As long as we are seeing this, then we will say that HOLOCHAIN has a momentum going on. But in case we don't see this, then we can't assume anything for now. The commodity channel index is way above the 100. We might have a correction here, but we want to see now if we have a correction, higher lows, stopping maybe there and eventually going up again. That's what we want to see for the commodity channel index. Let's go to the RSI, guys, as well. That's why we want to see higher highs and higher lows for the 4-hour frame for HOLOCHAIN against Bitcoin. It is looking good. It is going above. And of course, right now we need to break some important resistance levels. And the first of all the things, guys, is now to go and have the bullish recross between the 10-day EMA and the 50-day EMA. As soon as we have that and we have a major distance, then we will be looking forward to make new higher highs for HOLOCHAIN. So that's very good for HOLOCHAIN against Bitcoin in the daily frame. I always told you guys, if we see a bearish cross between the 10-day EMA and the 50-day EMA, then we will eventually see more downward, more correction for HOLOCHAIN. If we keep this 20-day EMA above the 50-day EMA and have a distance and have between each other a good distance, then we can assume that HOLOCHAIN will move upwards. So very crucial for HOLOCHAIN against Bitcoin in the 4-hour frame to see the bullish cross. So therefore we can keep on the daily frame to the bullish pattern that we had formed back from, guys, from 20 February 2021, and we were going all the way upwards. We need to see this. We need to keep above. If we don't do that, then we can fall down easily. Okay, so we are going now to the USDT and the price analysis. That's what I expect right now. After the top line connecting the top here, guys, you can see we had lower highs back from 7th May, lower highs, lower lows, and of course back from 27th April we had lower highs, as you can see here, eventually going down around. I am assuming that HOLOCHAIN has the power to go a little bit upwards, making some new higher lows in the process. And of course, if we can retest the 0.013, then we can go to the 0.014, maybe retesting this, maybe going above. First of all, we need to surpass the 0.013. That's our next target for the short term, and then we can eventually discuss about this. If we manage to have this bullish cross, guys, between the Bitcoin and the HOLOCHAIN, then HOLOCHAIN will move upwards for sure. If we can't have this bullish cross between and the 4-hour frame, then HOLOCHAIN might correct even more. That means if we can go in here, then we might retrace even more. But for now, I think we can hit the 0.013. So if you are a new investor to this coin, then you can set a profit target at around 0.013. If you want to wait and want to be more sure, then you will have to see this bullish cross right here for HOLOCHAIN against Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, I think, will be making new lower lows, new lower highs. So a coin has to outperform Bitcoin in order for us to assume that it can go easily upwards in the USDT valuation as well. So we have to wait. If you want to buy right now and you are a new investor, just wait a bit, guys. But for me, because of the daily frame, because of the commodity channel index being below -100, I suppose that we can hit the 13 cents. Eventually, guys, if we can make higher highs from here, if we can break this resistance line, then we will be making higher highs. For example, we will break the 13, we will go surely to the 14. Why not bounce between the support line right here, which is now a resistance line, and I have to color it with red and white numbers. So right here, this is the exact pattern we wanted to keep going. We want to go on new higher highs, new higher lows. Next targets are these. If we can see an outperformance for HOLOCHAIN against Bitcoin, then we will be moving surely above the 13 cents, and we need to manage to make it above this price right here, especially 13 to 14. That's where our previous high was, and a minor here pump up if we can break through for the very short term, for the next few hours, guys. If we can break this resistance level, then we will be looking towards the 13 to 14, which is more important because we have formed a reversal head and shoulders pattern, and now we are going upwards. So these things we need to see: HOLOCHAIN against Bitcoin, HOLO outperforming Bitcoin, and then we can eventually see a recross between the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA, okay? So these are the reasons I think we will be going upwards, but we need to break some important resistance levels in order to say we won't have this downfall as we had back from these days, because we went upwards testing the 17 cents, then fall down more. So right now we need to see going upwards. We need to see higher highs and higher lows. I am optimistic, guys, that we are going to see higher highs and higher lows, and I will be daily updating about where are we going. So for now, guys, it looks good. We just need some things for our side. If you bought at the top, then do not worry, do not sell your position. Just hodl for me, guys. Hodl there. Don't sell your position, because only if you sell your position you have to lose something. Be patient. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market, and of course having discipline, a buy strategy and an exit strategy. You always want to have profits no matter where you are. Even if you sell, for example, let's say you've bought around here 26 March and you sell here, you are absolutely fine. Do not worry that you didn't find the top, as long as you took some profits. So this is the most important thing, guys, because if you take profits, you are always winner. If you don't take, you are in a loss for the cryptocurrency, for the portfolio that you are holding. And of course, guys, when you are in a loss, you don't want to sell, you want to hodl, because better days are coming for sure. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos.